young children as far as 15, 10, 12, 18 and above are getting victims of all these diseases, particularly kidneys and even heart diseases, even sugar. So we had never heard of ours, I think. And besides, Pakistan is now, I think, soon would be number one in diabetes if we are not going to have any prevention. So my request would be that everybody, lots of players are working on these issues in Pakistan, and we are really, really appreciative of their effort. Our only observation is that mostly our approach is to work in silos. So every organization, be it donors or lots of civil society organizations or even the ministry, they don't have sufficient resources to work on any issue. So it's better to complement it, and lots of initiatives can be done through collaboration where donors can come up and help us in evidence-based researches. And since Hathi hamesha government hi paal sakti hai, so ministry can take lead because public believes what government says. And organizations like us can always be at the back with for technical assistance. And जहाँ शोर मचाने की जरूरत है, जहाँ पे awareness की जरूरत है, technical assistance की जरूरत है, वो हम कर सकते हैं. My another suggestion would be to the government that normally, I think it's far more easy in this era of information technology, artificial intelligence, that we should focus on the prevention as a strategy. Normally in Pakistan, the prevention aspect is taken by the civil society organizations. So the government should be taking it as a lead. PAMRA can come under, with their collaborative partner because it's quite economical and the impact is too much far reaching and very easy as well.